There he is, my rooster. The one that rules the roost. He's gonna come say good morning to me. He's gonna say, let my ladies out. He sleeps in here with the ducks. So he just flies off the top here. Woo! Good morning, Ross. That was a nice fly. Come on, ducks. Oh, hold on. Willow's like, what the heck? Let me in. Let's go get your girls. Good boy. Then we moved all the geese in with the goats because they were going to the neighbor's house. You guys, I kid you not. All 16 geese, including the 4 babies. Look at the babies. Were at my neighbor's field the other day. And then I go to get them. And they just like honk at me and walk back across the road because they know they're in trouble. Good morning. Look at the ducks. They're gonna go swimming already. Oh, I found the goat. Look at him being creepy. Oh, he's stalking me. Look at Oreo.